Hello. We are here to open another package. Hello, Sasha. Did you sense a box and come running? Oh, okay. Well, that's fine too, I guess. But you gotta let me open it first. So anyway, everybody, this package was sent by the wonderful Custom Card World, and it did arrive a little wonky, so we're hoping everything inside is okay, but we are feeling optimistic about it. So let's see if we can get this out of here without putting a million packing peanuts on the floor. A real challenge. Gentle, gentle, very good. Ooh, that looks positive. Okay, so we will set these aside. There is the business card for you who are on the lookout for something neat. Okay, and now we gotta set these peanuts aside. Sorry, Sasha, this is not the kind of box you're gonna wanna climb into. But I have a feeling I'll be picking up packing peanuts for a hot minute. Okay, cat toys galore. We have 3 articles here. I know what this one is, so we'll save that for last. I don't know what these are, so let's see what he sent. If you aren't aware, this artisan creates 3D printed 3D Yu-Gi-Oh cards. So they are really cool. And then like he prints them just in a generic resin, but then you can like choose your finish. Okay. We have Jinzo. Oh, that looks so good. Oh, yes. Yes. We love it. And let's see what this one is. It's looking good, sir. It's looking like everything arrived safe and sound. Snip. Got silver. Ho, 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 ho. I just realized what this is. This is Summon Skull. Oh, sorry if I just killed anyone's ears. Look at him. Oh, he is bursting forth around the edges of the... Oh, that is so cool. Oh, yes. Oh, both of those are big yeses. Oh, it's so cool. Okay, let's see this one. And you've probably, if you're following him, have seen this new offering. Because, oh, he sent me a couple of these before. He sent me the Egyptian God cards. It's the 3D printed cards, and that was super cool. But this, I'm going to flip it over so it's more of a surprise. This was kind of a collab, and you'll see what I mean here in a moment. But this is a new type of print that he's offering. I'm trying not to reveal it without getting the bubble wrap off first. Tape, tape. Okay, here we go. So this is a frame that you can pick what you want printed inside. Okay, here we go. Let's label this out. Nice and secure. Lego my ego. There we go. Okay. This bubble wrap and I are at war at this point. I'm just gonna cut it off. There we go. Alright. So, the frame. The reveal. The gentle unwrapping. Because it would be a shame to get carried away after it crossed the ocean to get here. There we go. Okay. Are you ready for this? Oh. So we have a 3D printed Exodia frame with the Millennium Puzzle and the eye and the magic circle. And then this is actually one of my extended arts of Dark Magician Girl, the Dragon Knight. Oh, it looks so good. So you can like request different things printed. This is a card I actually extended beyond like the original artwork, and he put it in there for me, and it looks so good. Oh, look at her. Oh, this is gonna be joining. These will be joining the Yu-Gi-Oh vibe shrine that is in my studio. I hope you enjoy this opening. If you like what you see, you can check out his work on Instagram, Custom Card World. And that's what I have for you. Thank you so much for sending these. I am very excited to put these up, and I hope you all have a lovely day.